Hello guys, welcome back to the series of Dialogue Flow. In this session, we will be learning about what is composite entity and how to create chatbot using composite entity. Let us first understand what is composite entity. Composite entity is used for choosing multiple options at a time in Dialogflow. For example, if the user wants to book an appointment for bike service such as tire change and upgrade. So here I am using Boolean logic, that is AND. Let us now create a composite entity. Go to your dialog flow and create a new agent. So I am creating a new agent saying bikebot and click on create. Once you have created the agent, go to default welcome intent and delete all the default text responses and add a new text response saying welcome to Bikebot. How can I help you? And click on save. So once you have completed adding your text response, go to entities. Now you can see there are two types of entities here. One is custom and system. We are going to create custom entity. So click on create the first one. So I am going to enter a entity name here saying service. Now you need to define some entities here such as bike upgrade and click enter. Next, enter puncture. You can enter as many as options or entities you need. For now, I'm going to just enter three entities. Once you have entered your entities here, click on save and then go back to entities. You can see we have now successfully created one custom entity. Now I want to implement Boolean logic because the entity that we have created is for single choice. Now let us create one more entity for multiple choice. So I'm going to enter in here as service and uncheck the define synonymous checkbox. Now I'm going to enter some values here. So it will be at the rate service colon service 1. So here service 1 will be chosen as bike upgrade. Give a space and enter and again service colon service 2. So again service 2 will be puncture. So I'll add one more value saying at the rate service 1 and service 3. So again service 3 here will be tire change. And then click on save. Once this is saved, go to intents and create a new intent for booking an appointment. So I'll here create a new intent saying book appointment. Now once you have entered the intent name, go to action and parameters and enter your parameter name, that is service. Entity name will be at the rate service that you have created and again dollar will be service. Add one more parameter. Entity will be again the service and which we have already created. Once you have added the action and parameters, now it's time to train our phrases. So click on add training phrases and enter your phrase here. Book an appointment for bike upgrade. Select the bike upgrade from left to right and choose the entity here, that is at the rate service colon service. Here we are choosing service at the rate service because we are only choosing the single option, that is bike upgrade. Now let us train one more phrase. So now we are training this phrase for multiple options. So here we'll say book an appointment for at the rate service and colon service and 1 and click enter and then select it from left to right and choose the entity that will be service and colon service and then click on enter. So now we have trained the phrases successfully. Now let us add responses. So go to add response. Here we'll be adding two responses. First one response will be, okay, you have selected multiple services and specify the services, that will be dollar service and. We'll add one more response for single service and then click on save. So now we have created our bot successfully. Now let us test it. So now we have created our bot successfully. Let us test it. You can see here in the response we are getting, welcome to BikeBot, how can I help you? So I'm going to say I want to book an appointment for bike upgrade and puncture. Again you can see here in the default response we are getting the correct response saying, okay, you have selected multiple services, puncture and bike upgrade. So this bot is working correctly now. Thank you guys for watching this video.